Okay, a video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another vlog. We're doing a tech vlog, actually a camera vlog, and featuring in this vlog, it's the brand new Fujifilm camera from Fuji Philippines. Kaka-launch lang ito. And this is the Fujifilm X106. Ayan, X106. As you can see here, kita nyo ba? Ayan, ito siya. And fresh from Japan, kaka-launching lang nito globally, and this is the much awaited camera from Fuji. Sa labas tayo ng venue kasi wala akong tripod at sinandal ko lang sa pader itong aking iPhone to vlog this awesome rangefinder style camera, mirrorless camera, napakaganda. Kung ano man yung meron sa X100V or X105, much better na siya dito, mas maganda. And maganda dito, meron pa siya kasamang parang variant na parang special edition kung saan may mga naka-engrave na something doon sa lens cap, kasama siyang parang tali, parang gano'n, or handle para sa inyong camera. Unfortunately, yung aking cheat sheet is nandito sa iPhone na ito. So maybe I'll do a voiceover, let's show to you some specs of the Fujifilm X106, which is one of the best. Kumbaga, this is the most sought after Fujifilm camera ever dahil yung X100V from last year sold out anywhere at may mga tao na gusto ng 23mm. I am a 23mm user on my X-T200 Fujifilm camera, and also the Fujifilm X-H2S. I'm using it din minsan-minsan at hiniram ko lang yung kay Fujifilm at I'm loving it kahit naka 23mm ako. Nasanay ako mag 23mm because of that lens. 23mm Fuji noon, f2. Similar din dito sa X100V. So I did some test shot. I tried some sort of film simulation, yung aking paboritong Vivid, at nag-shift na ako into a Eternal Cinema Fujifilm film simulation. At medyo gabi na dito sa BGC, and nag-try tayo ng some street photography. Hindi ko lang alam kung bagay yung street photography yung yung sa nighttime tapos sa Eternal Cinema, but sinubukan ko na rin din. So gumawa rin ako ng reels to promote this camera. May pa-contest actually, sana manalo ako ng trip to Osaka, Japan. Ira-raffle daw nila yung entry ng mga reels. Ay, grabe. Sana manalo tayo. Makapunta tayo ulit tayo ng Japan for the second time. Kasi dati Okinawa. So, sana Osaka, manalo tayo. So, gawa ko ng parang walkthrough. Let's show to you this front of the Fujifilm X106. Almost the same naman din siya. Walang pinagkaiba. Ang naiintindihan ko lang kanina dun sa presentation, you can add a filter here para magkaroon ka ng focal length na 28mm at 50mm. Ayun. May kinakabit ditong filter length. Also, the X106 is also weather sealed, which is good. Pero may kinakabit na parang adapter para maging weather sealed yung lens din. Yun yung pinakita rin kanina. Parang dalawang klaseng adapter yung pinakita kanina eh. So check nyo lang yung sa mga information sheet online kay Fujifilm kung naman yun yung kinakabit na adapter dito. At similar to the Fujifilm cameras, dikot-kot yung kanyang power button. Ayan, dikot-kot at mag-on na rin din siya. Ang laglag yung buti hindi nawala to, yung sa hot shoe. Ang maganda rito yung rangefinder niya. Rangefinder na optical na viewfinder. This is an optical viewfinder which is napakaganda dahil what you see through the lens to the lens lang talaga. Walang ganong effect, but there's other information. But ang maganda dito, meron siyang square. Ayun, nakita nyo, may square siyang ganun, you can do framing much more better. Parang meron kang naka-frame something, may square dito, may i-frame mo yung mga subject mo ng maayos at on the right timing. Kumbaga, may frame na square, makikita mo yung nasa gilid. parang kung yung pala yung parang style ng mga rangefinder style na mga camera. Ayan, ito ako. Nakita mo may guhit yan, may guhit na yan. Yan yung square na sinasabi ko. Yan yung square, nawala. Yan yung square na sinasabi ko. So sa labas ng square, di siya kasama sa frame. So, alis maganda ro, nakikita mo kung ano yung kailangan mong picturean. Ayan. Ito siya, oh. Ganda, oh. This is 23, no? Parang medyo nakafocus pa ako ng konti. Medyo malamok dito, nilalamok ako, ah. At, ayan. Super linaw. Buti bigdala ko extra SD card for this photo shoot. At siguro some of the samples na kinuhanan ko, ito siya. I'll show you to you mamaya, no? Yung mga shots na, mga sample shots na kinuhanan ko using the X100 6. Ayan, yung pusa na yan. Tatang pusa. So, ito yan. I'll switch to the rear camera, no, para mapakita ko sa inyo yung the entire X100 6 na camera. Okay, let's do this. At we are now vlogging using the rear camera of my iPhone. So, ito yung X100 6 close-up look. Ito yung itsura niya. At they have here some buttons. Buti na lang yung mga buttons niya, medyo konti na lang. Ayan, naka-letter T tayo. At saka yung exposure level niya. Ayan, back natin to 0. This is the power button. Ayan. At may mga pihitan dito sa unahan, which you can control the ISO, control the exposure level, for example, and many more. Ang maganda dito, no, you can tilt the screen. Tilt natin yung screen, ha. Ayan. It can tilt. Hanggang ganyan style lang. So, wala siyang selfie mode. But it's okay. Ang ganda niya gamitin for street photography. Namimiss ko yung mga ganitong style of LCD monitor. No? Sana ginawa nila no, na isa-selfie niya. No? Kasi sa XT100, pwede mong ganyan. Pwede rin siyang i-selfie. Sana, sayang, di na nila nagawa yun. No? Sana ibalik nila in other cameras. So actually, akala ko nung una, they will launch more cameras kasi sabi it's mga 5 cameras doon ilalabas ni Fujifilm pero di, isa lang pala. It's the X100 6 na camera. So that's it. This is a quick parang short walkthrough natin with the new camera. Alright, that's it for our vlog for today. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be showcasing some photos na ginamitan ko ng Fujifilm X100 6. So, eto na. Panoorin nyo. Let me know kung okay ba yung mga street photography shots ko. Okay? Video, pasok. So, ayun, nakita nyo na yung mga photos. No? Sana matry pa natin tong camera na to. Mauwi natin at let's do this in a regular basis for street photography, covering events, lifestyle events, travel, food photography. May mga usually na ginagawa ko if I'm using a Fujifilm camera. So, thank you so much kay Fujifilm Philippines for a quick preview of the Fujifilm X100 6. This is a much more awaited camera. Perfect for travel at dahil maliit lang yung camera, it can fit ito sa aking Uniqlo shoulder bag and that's it. Napakaliit niya kasi one lens lang siya, di siya interchangeable, but I super enjoyed using it for photography. So ayun, I'll end my video now. Check nyo sa mga YouTube for reviews. That's my first impression here with a hands-on test with the Fujifilm X100 6. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Wala tayong tripod. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Fujifilm. Abangan nyo sa main launch ito here in the Philippines. Alright.